In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit site in mobile mode in Mobirise. If most of your visitors discover your site on their phones, dialing in the mobile experience is essential. I'll walk you through the process inside Mobirise Online and share tips to make your pages look clean, readable, and easy to tap on smaller screens. To begin, open Mobirise Online in your browser and sign in. The fastest way is to choose the option to sign in with Google. After you authorize access and select your Google account, you'll be taken back into Mobirise, where your projects and the site editor load up. Give it a moment if your connection is slow. The editor needs to pull in your blocks and assets before you start making changes. Once you're in the editor, switch to the mobile view. Look for the responsive toggle that shows a phone icon. Click it, and the canvas will snap to a mobile width so you can preview exactly how your content stacks on a small screen. Now scroll through your page as if you were using a phone. Pay attention to how sections collapse, how much space sits between blocks, and whether headings wrap in a readable way. If a headline looks cramped or a button feels too small, that's your cue to adjust. When you find a block that needs refinement, click the gear icon on that block to open its settings. Here you can tweak common options like spacing, alignment, colors, and sometimes visibility for different devices. A little padding often goes a long way on mobile. Enough breathing room keeps content from feeling cluttered, but not so much that users have to scroll endlessly. For text blocks, consider slightly smaller font sizes or shorter line lengths to prevent awkward wrapping. For buttons, confirm they're large enough to tap comfortably and that the text contrasts well against the background. If you're comfortable with code and your project allows it, you can switch to the code editor from the same area to make precise HTML or CSS adjustments. Keep changes focused and test after each tweak so you can spot exactly what improved the layout. Also, keep your browser zoom at 100% to judge sizes accurately and use consistent spacing across blocks so your page feels cohesive from top to bottom. That's it. By signing in, switching to the mobile view, and refining each block through the gear icon or code editor, you'll build a mobile experience that's fast, readable, and delightful to use. Stick around for more practical Mobirise tips, and thanks for watching.